papayag kung kakampit ka dyan sa mga puti.
We're just going through the process.
Kaya nga. Pero ako, ang akin is legal. What's your basis now? I'm asking I'm a lawyer. I'm asking you now, what is the legal basis of sa police power? Anong basis ninyo to take me into custody? Wala. So I have to resist and not to go back to these idiots and tell them, and I will go to them after I have washed. Ako ang magpupunta sa kanila. Walang basis at di magkakaanuhan tayo dito. It would be illegal for you, as a matter of fact, it is illegal for you to ask me to go with you without any papel lang ito.